Welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change wallpaper in PC quickly and easily so you can personalize your computer the way you like. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on your desktop screen using your mouse. This will open a quick access menu with several options related to display and personalization. It is important because this is the fastest way to access your PC's background settings. Step 2. Click on Personalize from the menu that appears. This option takes you directly to the Windows settings where you can control themes, colors, and background. It is useful because all wallpaper settings are managed from this section. Step 3. Select Background from the left panel inside the settings window. The background section is where you can manage and preview your current wallpaper. This step is important because it allows you to choose how your desktop background will look. Step 4. Click the background drop-down menu and choose between Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow. Picture lets you set a single image. Solid Color gives you a plain color background, and Slideshow rotates multiple images automatically. Choosing the right option helps you customize your desktop based on your preference. Step 5. Click Browse if you selected Picture, then navigate to the folder where your desired image is saved. This allows you to pick any photo from your computer. It is helpful because you are not limited to default wallpapers only. Step 6. Select your image and click Choose Picture to set it as your wallpaper. Once selected, the background will instantly change on your desktop. This final step confirms your selection and completes the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.